So if you have a YouTube studio on your phone, then this is going to be very simple. Just click on a YouTube studio on your phone and it is going to take you to your dashboard. Very simple. But if you don't have, then you have to go online and then click on YouTube Studio desktop and you get information. So we are going to search for the video with 100k views. So this is the video with 100k views, deadly clash between Arsenal. I'm going to click on this video and it is going to take me to the video analytics. I'm going to click on the view more and I'm going to be providing with a basic information about the video, like the reach, the engagement, the audience, and then I'll finally take you to the revenue, where we are going to find out how much YouTube actually paid me for 100k views. So guys, finally this is how much YouTube actually paid me for 100k views, 190.74, and advertisers are paying me 4.14, but I'll be receiving 1.91 as the RPM for every 1k views. So guys, this is it. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, share this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until then, I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye bye.